Nomenclature refers to naming. आप अभी अभी नहीं पढ़ रहे केमिस्ट्री, मेरे ख्याल से फर्स्ट पीयूसी और आई कैन टेल दैट डे 1 फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से स्टडी you might have come across naming up of several organic compounds, inorganic compounds. Same way we name a coordination compound. If I talk about rules, it will take lengthy time. I don't want to do that. Instead, I will start the things by taking examples so that within less time we can go for naming the things. And in examination, no doubt, if at all they will ask for only 1 mark. Not more than that, but to get that 1 mark, you have to know the rules behind the naming up of the compound. So, as you know that we have 3 kinds of complexes based upon the charge present upon the complex ion. If at all the complex ion is carrying negative charge, those complexes are termed as anionic complexes. Similarly, if at all a complex ion carries a positive charge, those are termed as cationic complexes. Then, if the complex doesn't attain any charge upon it, those are termed as neutral complexes. So, I will start with nomenclature of anionic complexes. See, as always, you have to go from left to right. ठीक है, तो ऐसे वाले कंपाउंड में पहला जो है ना सिंपल केटायन. ऑलवेज बच्चों जब भी आप लोग कोई सॉल्ट का नाम लिखते हो तो पहले केटायन आता, बाद में एनायन. उसके बाद चार्जेस आर रिशफल्ड. दिस यू ऑलरेडी नो. फॉर एग्जांपल NaCl, सोडियम क्लोराइड में Na प्लस चार्ज है, Cl माइनस चार्ज. मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट MgSO4, Mg plus 2 SO4 minus 2. Potassium sulfate K2SO4. क्यों K2? Because sulfate का चार्ज minus 2 है, K का चार्ज plus 1. This is a basic concept. So whenever you are writing a name of a compound, first the name or the first preference should be given for the cation. Then after write anion. Then after exchange the valencies. इसकी टॉपिक उसके सर बता चुकी हूँ मैं आपको फर्स्ट पीयूसी में. नाउ हियर while writing first of all I say first name the first thing potassium. तो बाकी बात तो सिंपल चीज है. अब एक कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन को नाम देने के लिए सी बच्चों यहाँ पे जो लिगैंड्स है साइनाइड 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 फ्लोराइड क्लोराइड whatever the ligands are there that is there those are carrying negative charge especially halogens. Those should be ended with OOO. Chloride, chlorido. Bromide, bromido. Fluoride, fluorido. Cyanide, cyanido. जो लिगैंड के ऊपर माइनस चार्ज है उसको OO से खत्म करेंगे. पहला मुद्दा. सेकेंड, अगेन गो फॉर नंबरिंग. आपको पता 1 है तो 1, नो नीड ऑफ राइटिंग 1 और मोनो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन 2 है तो बाई, 3 है तो ट्राई, 4 है तो टेट्रा, 5 है तो पेंटा, 6 है तो हेक्सा. These are the prefixes to number the ligands. First हम वो से एंड किए, बाद में I am giving you the prefixes to number the number of ligands. Then as if you are having more than one kind of ligands, अगर आपके पास एक कॉम्प्लेक्स में more than one kind of ligand है, उस टाइम पे no doubt the preference should be given to the ligand which is getting least number alphabetically. अगर आपके पास एक क्लोराइड है और एक ब्रोमाइड है, एक्चुअली मेरे पास I don't have any compound right now here, but in generally I'm giving example. किसी के पास अगर क्लोराइड भी है और ब्रोमाइड भी है, उस दौरान A B C सबको आता है अल्फाबेट्स. B should be coming first, then after C. तो पहले ब्रोमीड को प्रेफरेंस दे करके बाद में go for chloride. So what is the third point I am telling? If you are having more than one kind of ligand, the least number or the first preference should be given for those ligands which possess Then here, as it is a anionic complex, the central metal atom should be ended with 8. यहाँ पे anionic complex है, तो जो complex बाद में आएगा इसका मतलब पहले मैं इसको नाम दे करके बाद में इसको नाम दूंगी ना, उस दौरान last should be ended with the central metal atom. So ये जो atom है वो 8 से end करना है. जैसे Ag refers to argentine, silver. अर्जेंटाइन को 8 से end करो मतलब अर्जेंटेट. निकल, निकलेट. प्लैटिनम, प्लैटिनेट. So while writing the anionic complex's name, the central metal atom should be ended with 8, followed by, हम कल की क्लास में देखे हैं, just calculated the number of oxidation state, that is oxidation number present upon the central metal atom. That number should be written in bracket immediately after the name of central metal atom, and that should be done in Roman number. और ligand और central metal atom के name के बीच में gap नहीं चाहिए. There should not be any gap written between central metal atom and also the ligand. और अगर मतलब एक लाइन में नाम खत्म हो जाना, no commas, no full stop. So I will start the things. How to name? As I said, first name the simple cation. What name? Potassium. So its name is potassium. As I said, while naming the complex, first you have to go for naming the ligand. Then after कितने ligand है? 2 cyanide है. 2. The root word is bi. Bi cyanide. I said it should be ended with O. Cyanido. So bi cyanido. Central atom is argentine. So as I said, it should be end with 8. Argentate. Then after, followed by the oxidation number of silver. कितना आता है देखो, +1 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Or I can tell x is equal to 2 minus 1, it is what? +1. Here the silver is in +1 state. तो रोमन लेटर में ब्रैकेट में 1 डालो. Simple method of naming the anionic complex. Similarly, go for this one. पहले कौन है देखो, सोडियम. सोडियम followed by naming cyanide. कितने हैं? 2. डाई भी लिखो, बाई भी लिखो, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से डाई भी looks good. So डाई cyanido orate. Okay, AU RAT, orate. How to calculate? +1 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Again same कहानी, x will be equal to +1. So that one write in Roman number. Coming here, potassium. Potassium followed by cyanide. कितने हैं? 4. For 4 the root word is tetra. Tetra cyanido nickelate. Nickelate. Okay, what is the charge? It is what? +4 plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, तो कितना आता है? x will be equal to 0. I think it will be x इनका रखेंगे +4 minus 4 0. There is no charge. It will be what? 0. जो तो जितना भी आता है राइट इन ब्रैकेट. डर के बारे में बैठ जाएंगे साइड में. Here, what is this? It is what? Potassium 6 fluoride. The name will be hexa fluorido. Platinum, it should be end with 8. Platinate. What will be the number? +2 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Or x will be equal to 6 minus 2 equal to what? 4. It is what? Roman number पे लिखना है 4. पॉइंट, सिंपल मेथड है, हम रूल्स पढ़ते जाएंगे तो लगता कितना टफ है, बट व्हेन वी राइट द नेम इट विल बी डेट इजी. Okay, this was about naming of anionic complexes. Go for naming cationic complexes. See cation में again same logic. पहले तो आपका जो कॉम्प्लेक्स है वो cation है followed by a simple anion. तो how to name it? By naming the cationic complex, as always name the ligand first. Just like यहाँ पे same करना है. Change किया यहाँ पे. Here we are ending with 8 in all the cases when the complex was anion, but here no need of ending with 8 because it is the complex is coming first. Lastly we are getting the anion, so that will be ended with 8. Okay. अब again hexa आता जब 6 रहा तो यहाँ पे एक change है. Whenever you have a molecule, complex molecule acting as ligand, that time the prefixes should be bis, tris, tetrakis, so on. अगर दो ligand है तो bis that complex name, अगर 3 है तो tris, 4 है तो tetrakis. कब आता है? जब आपके पास ligand is of a high molecular type. यहाँ पे you should not write bis bromide, no, you cannot write hexa, hexa तो ठीक है, लेकिन ethylene diamine it is a complex molecule, for that you can write the name bis. Bis ethylene diamine तो लिखो, अगर आपको writing diamine name, right, so write bis ethane 1,2-diamine. Got the point? What I mean to tell is, by naming such compounds, if at all the ligand is a complex molecule, that time to number such things you have to use the prefixes like bis, tris, tetrakis. If it is more than 2, so on. Name here starting, as I said, go for writing या फिर naming the ligand. कितने ligands है? 6, which is that amine. So how to name? Hexa amine. You should not name go for amine, no, क्योंकि वो न्यूट्रल है. amine, platinum, उसका state followed by chloride. Don't go for tetrachloride, क्योंकि 4 है तो 4 टेट्रा लिखेंगे नहीं. Rule says it has to get with just the name of the that is anionic species. So here platinum का charge how to calculate? X plus 0 minus 4 equal to 0. 0 क्यों? Because ammonia is a neutral. So what is the value of X? X is equal to 4. So that you write in the square, in this bracket. Similarly, how to name this one? As I said, two types are there. One EN, that is ethane 1,2-diamine, और दूसरा है bromine, bromine. तो but here as I said, go for the ligand which is start getting least alphabetical number. B है, E है, तो पहले कौन आएगा? No doubt B. तो first write the name of bromide. That is how to name. First go for this one. How many are there? 2 है ना, तो डाई ब्रोमीडो, then 2 ethane 1,2-diamine. For 2 the root word is bis. Bis bracket में ethane 1,2-diamine. क्या की मैं इसको elaborate की. Ethylene diamine is a common name. Ethane 1,2-diamine is a IUPAC name. Followed by cobalt. Cobalt उसका state, then बचा कौन? Chloride. Okay, what is this oxygen state? X minus 2 plus of ethylene diamine, it is a neutral molecule. 0 minus 1 equal to 0. कितना आता? X is equal to, उधर लेके जाओ 3 आता. State will be 3. Next, same here. number followed by nitrate. Okay, so स्टेट कैसे फाइंड करोगे? x minus 2 plus 0 minus 2 equal to 0 because nitrate charge is minus 2. Okay, come here, what will be the value? उस तरफ लेके जाओ 4 आना, x will be 4. Again name this one. How many are there? Hexa aqua nickel chloride. Okay, how to find the state? Again x minus plus 0 minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to plus 2. This is what our oxidation number of the central metal atom. Hope you got it. Go for neutral complex is very simple. Just as always, go for writing the number of ligand followed by the central metal atom. No need of ending with 8. Just write the term what it is, and then after the state of the oxidation number of it in a bracket. How to do it? How many are there? This is not cobalt. This is carbon monoxide. It may will be carbonyl. तो कितने कार्बोनिल है? 4. The root word is tetra. Tetra carbonyl followed by nickel. What is the state here? No doubt, neutral complex each one should carry 0. फिर भी how to do it? Not it is not necessary हर चीज 0 लेना. Calculate x plus 0 equal to 0 क्योंकि carbonyl is a neutral atom. So value of x will be under 0 here. Coming to this molecule, penta. 5 are there? Penta. Penta carbonyl iron. Don't write iron, you can write ferrate भी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन ferrate कब आएगा? जब हम complex ion का नाम लेंगे. But don't get confused, write on iron only. Iron. What is the number? X plus 0 equal to 0 because carbon again neutral atom 0. Here two mites are there. One is amine, दूसरा is chlorido. That is chloride. First preference give for amine. कितने amine है? Diamino, dichlorido nickel. State x minus 2 plus 0 equal to 0, x will be equal to 2. Okay, यहाँ पे nickel plus 2 form में. I think this completes the things. Content देखने में tough लगता, but if you go for writing or if you go through the method of writing and then after start naming the things, the concept